saving him, and I'm glad he talked me into it.
How old is Torque?
Toke is 10.
Toke is 10.
Uh-huh.
He looks like he's probably 10.
And,
He looks really good though.
Yeah. And then this little girl in front is a coy dog. She's part coyote and part dog.
Oh, you guys are gorgeous.
He is 85% F4, which means
F4? Okay.
we count filial generations in wolf dogs. Basically what that means is if you take a pure wolf and
Distance seeking right now, right?
Yes. Yes.
This is as close as they're planning on coming.
This is fight or flight.
Gotcha.
And this is all about flight with a wolf dog. You know, a lot of people talk about how they want to get themselves a wolf so that it'll be a good guard dog. Yeah. Well, this is what you get with a wolf.
Exactly.
They will run and hide big time. This is Nehema. She is a high content wolf dog. Her sister, the even shaggier one up on the top. And then the one standing in the shade staring at you, that's Wailela and her brother Yana Usti behind. Something like that. Maybe 8. Sequoia,
that dark boy, he's like, I ain't coming any closer.
Sequoia was found running the streets of Sandy, Utah. She had wound up in puppy prison when she was about 6 or 8.
Are we okay to treat right away, or should we wait?
No fast moves. I heard you just did a little weight shifting.
I know.
Good job.
This one's Kobuk. This one's Satinka. Satinka, this one's Kobuk. There he goes. Oh, yay. That's so cute.
It's because you're sick, you lucky person.
Sarah is, there you go, Rebecca. It's Rebecca's turn.
She's pregnant.
Yeah.
You have something wrong
That's all.
with hormones.
I can put them up on Facebook and you guys can pull them off.
Perfect.
Can I move again?
Sue, I'm actually going to make a...
Astrid wants to move. I was taking pictures against the sun.
Those paws are amazing.
Oh, it says I want the hand with 3, not the hand with 1.
Whatever you want.
Hi.
Yeah, but if you put an album on
You
Facebook,
took them all.
then we can share it and we can grab the pictures.
You took them all.
I'll put it up and that way you guys can pull them off and use them for whatever you want.
Do they know their names?
I love it.
What's back there? Is there more food?
See, they're going for the invalids first.
They are. I'm pretty invalid even before this. I must not smell very nice.
I'm sure we could find a pile of dog food or something to roll in.
I'm like, you guys are so offended that they're not scent marking you.
Kachina, enough. Thank you. She's super exuberant.
I love it.
Indigo. Indigo. Hey. Earlier, you can watch Sam and how he single tracks versus this Malamute gait.
Yeah.
Indigo,
Indy!
behave.
She's awesome.
She's like, I'm such a pet. Oh, he's so nice.
And I might have missed it. Where did she come from?
Indigo came from Florida, and she's in training to be, come here. Indy, she's in training to be our next ambassador. And then Sammy came along. He was a rescue down in Colorado Springs, actually. And
Thank you. We're going to go to the restaurant now. I work at a groomer, so I came from there to here. Yeah, I smell like a lot of dogs right now.
yes, you do.
Good job, Sammy.
You don't want that? You just want to smell it.
She does. It was a weird.
There we go. Get those.
You really like that rolling
I have, and it was covered. On the wire kennel, and you know how it's like
Hi, gorgeous.
lip on it? She got her head cut, and then she just pulled.
That's her head.
Yeah, this is like
From right here to right here.
it was from here to here, and it was like it was just like
It was like a wire kennel.
Awani, up. Touch.
There you go.
Good girl. All right, Allison, how many times can you say you've clicker trained bears, huh?
Just think what you just added to your resumes.
That's right.
What else is new, right? I love it. Usually I find like where you guys going to? Check out the pizza place in Dubai.
Indigo Mountain.